I promise these donuts will melt in your mouth. Today we're making donuts.
What do you need to make donuts?
Flour.
2 cups of flour,
And
1 egg,
and melted butter
3 tablespoons of melted butter,
and sugar
3 tablespoons of sugar.
and
What is that? Nutmeg.
nutmeg
1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. What else?
and yeast
Yeast. How much? 2.5 teaspoon of yeast.
and
Milk powder. 3 tablespoon milk powder. And what is this? You didn't say this one. Salt.
salt.
How much? Half teaspoon of salt.
Oh, okay.
And how much milk do you need? Half cup of milk.
Half cup of milk.
Okay, you want to combine the wet ingredients first. Okay, Musa, now mix the wet ingredients. So add egg in the milk. Yep, pour it in. Good job. And your butter goes in there as well.
Yeah, the butter. Not pretty hot.
Good job. Now stir it with a fork.
Fork. I like this noise.
Okay, now
It's like egg.
add all the dry ingredients into the flour.
Okay.
The dry ingredients, yeah. Sugar,
Okay, sugar.
okay, good job. Nutmeg,
Nutmeg.
yep.
And shot. Shot the bigger.
Salt.
And these are noises.
What is that? Milk powder. This is optional, but it's donuts are richer if you add milk powder.
And they're each.
The last one is yeast.
Black one.
Now
or
mix with your spatula.
spatula. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. You gotta mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Sorry.
Oh.
Okay, I'll pour this in here.
Good job. Now yes, you pour it in there in the middle. In the middle. Oh, okay.
Are we done?
Yeah, give that to me. Okay, now mix everything with the spatula.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix.
Now, Musa, the dough has to be what? Soft or hard?
Soft.
Yes, so dough has to be soft. Very soft, okay?
Yeah. Yup.
How is it looking? Sticky? Okay,
Yeah.
good. Keep mixing. It's gonna get even stickier. Use 2 hands, one to hold bowl.
Oh, boy.
Yes.
Oh, I'm doing it. What? It's like a tornado.
Yeah.
I'm just stopping the bed.
Okay, Musa, now we are going to transfer the dough onto the mat. The dough is sticky, so we need to make it very, very good, okay? Very soft. It is very sticky right now, so we are going to use oil.
Sticky.
We are going to put some oil on the mat.
Yeah.
Okay, rub it, rub it, rub it,
Yeah, I'll rub it.
spread it. Now make sure both hands have oil.
Okay.
Here, give me your hands. Okay. Now you're going to work the dough, okay? Okay, now the dough is on the mat. Musa, now we have to knead it for 10 minutes, okay?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Okay, let's go now. I showed you how to do it. Let's start kneading the dough. Okay, Musa, your dough is ready. We are going to leave the dough on the counter for how long? You know it.
2 hours.
1 to 2 hours. Okay, let's leave the 1 to 2 hours. All right. Let's leave the dough on the counter.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Ooh, it's big.
I'm gonna open it.
Good job. Okay, now put the dough on the mat.
Oh, so heavy.
Oh.
It's so sticky too. It's so sticky.
It's okay.
This is
All of it, yes. Good job. Now you can put some flour on top.
Okay.
Some flour, not a lot. Yes. Sprinkle some flour. Sprinkle, yeah.
Now put it in one place, okay?
Yeah. Okay, make it into a round shape now. The whole thing, yes. Good job. Into a round shape. Round.
It's a round shape. It's a round.
Yeah.
If you pat it.
Okay, now we are going to use our rolling pin.
Yeah.
And then we'll cut our donuts. Okay, Musa, how many donuts did you make? There are about 17 donuts and Musa got some mini donuts as well. Oh, who's helping you now?
Hadi.
Hello, Hadi.
Huda.
And Musa? Okay, great. Were you sleeping before? Were you taking a nap before? We didn't see you. We missed you. Okay, Musa, while our donuts are resting for 20 minutes, we are going to make the glaze, okay? So what do we need to make the glaze? What is this? What is it?
So sorry, I cannot hear.
What is this?
Flour or
No.
sugar?
Yes, powdered sugar.
Powder.
What is this? Musa, what, sorry, that's powdered sugar, 2 cups powdered sugar. What is this?
Melted bread.
Bread. Did you say melted bread?
I mean melted butter.
Melted brother? Melted butter. Did he melt you? Hadi? No, I'm not taking a pictures. Stop saying cheese. Okay, we have 6 tablespoons melted butter. What else is this?
Butter.
Milk. 5 tablespoons milk.
And vanilla.
And vanilla extract.
And
1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Okay, let's mix everything, okay?
No.
Okay, be careful. Okay, let him add the vanilla. Let Hadi have.
Hadi, is it right? I'm gonna. It's my turn. First.
Okay. Now mix.
Okay, next one, Hadi.
Now slowly, okay? Don't spill. Hadi, last time you spilled too much flour. Okay, go ahead. Keep mixing.
I do slowly, okay? Ooh, yucky. Goodie. Goodie.
Okay, the glaze is ready. The glaze is ready. We added a little bit more milk, so total half cup of milk. Depends on if you want the glaze to be runny or a little bit thick. If you want sweeter, then definitely thicker glaze. If you don't want too sweet, then it's going to be a little bit liquidy like this. Okay, now we are waiting. We're going to wait a few more minutes for our donuts and then we will deep fry them. Okay, Musa?
Okay.
I know you want to eat them, don't you?
Yeah, I want to eat the donut. I'm gonna fry the donut.
Donut?
Don't now.
Donuts?
Don't now.
Dough now? No, donuts. Okay, let's see if the oil is hot enough. Oh, we are going to test. Okay, so what we need to make sure that the oil is not too hot, okay? If it is too hot, then the donut is going to be raw from inside. Okay, so Musa, I'm going to put it into the oil.
Like a small one.
I'm gonna help you, okay?
But I want to do a small one.
Okay, see, it is not the oil is not too hot. We have to cook it on a low temperature, okay?
I want to do the small one.
Okay, you can do the small ones.
Okay.
How excited are you for your donuts?
Really? So 100-sided?
Are you still want to be an invisible
Hero.
superhero
Yeah.
and make donuts?
Yeah.
Let's see how your donuts. Wow, they look so good.
Now chip?
No, we have to let them fry them on a low heat.
You can put small one. You can put the small one over here.
Yep.
And then
You want to sprinkle one donut?
Yeah.
Okay guys, they changed their mind. They just want the glazed donut, not the chocolate, but you can definitely use chocolate or
vanilla.
vanilla. Yeah, this is vanilla. You can always add cocoa powder into this glaze.
You don't look like Bob.
He wants a donut.
Oh.
Okay, Musa, you want to sprinkle one while they're still warm?
So I'm gonna eat the donut.
The donuts are ready, guys.
This one. Okay.
You want one? Okay.
I'm gonna get this one.
Can you give one to Hadi?
I'm not gonna do the way that I
Let's see from inside. Look at that, guys. It's so soft. Yeah, you can break it.
I don't want to break it.
Okay, you want to eat it like that? That's fine.
Mmm.
No? He wants to eat the sprinkles. How is it, Musa?
Good.
Good, soft? Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
See you next time, guys. Make sure you do try this recipe, donuts. They are really good. They are very, very soft from inside.
And subscribe.
Yep.
Yeah.
And what? Sorry, Musa?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Musa's channel.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Hadi.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye.